48 Days, 48 Laws. Law 1 from Robert Greene's is never outshine the master. It advises that one should avoid appearing more talented or capable than those in positions of authority, as it may provoke envy and insecurity. Instead, it suggests maintaining a level of deference and allowing superiors to shine. Imagine you are part of a team working on a project, and your immediate supervisor is leading the efforts. If you consistently outshine your supervisor by taking credit for their ideas, showcasing your skills excessively, or overshadowing their contributions during meetings, it might create tension. Your supervisor could feel threatened, leading to a strained relationship or potential negative consequences for your career. To apply Law 1, you might strategically give credit to your supervisor when presenting ideas, highlighting their leadership, and ensuring that your success aligns with their guidance.